So we got the base plate here welded up. We welded it up slow and cool, and so our wires on the inside, nothing that get damaged, because we ain't able to just get right back to them on the bottom here yet. Eventually I'm gonna cut a door in here, and I'm gonna have it where I got some bolts where I can I ain't gonna worry about no hinge, but I'm just gonna have a piece that a cap over it and put some bolts in it on all four corners and be able to take it on and off with a little seal on there so I can get in and out of there if I want to. But for now, we just closed it up. We got everything in here. We got all the gussets where I want them. We got all the plates where I want it. We got the pole extended to the length I want it. And so we just got to go back and sand, touch up some spots where I welded it together, the pieces together, and where we welded the gussets on it. We want to go back over here. Any of this coating stuff here that's on here that didn't get a good bond. The last time I sprayed them, they were mounted together like a triangle. So they went on the side of a tanker trailer, and I couldn't really get up under there and sand the bottom of it like I wanted to. So some of it feels like it didn't really take a good bond to it. So I'm gonna go back and make sure everything that's easily gonna strip off, I'm gonna make sure I go ahead and strip it off before I respray it. And I'm not gonna respray it while it's on the ground here. I'm gonna take it down there once the concrete pad gets cured enough that I feel like, we can go down there and pull on the anchor bolts and, not crack anything. We're gonna take it down there, we're gonna set it. And then I'm gonna finish, sanding it if I need to while it's standing up in the air, and blow it down and wipe it down, and I'm gonna spray it while it's standing up in the air. That way I ain't gonna be trying to roll it over or worrying about it falling. So we're just gonna sand some of this stuff off of here. And then we'll keep moving, and eventually we'll have it done. All right, so what we got here, we got the flagpole just about done. We had a lot of cutting and welding. We had to extend onto this thing about 7 foot. We put a lot of electrical on the inside of it, both AC and DC power. We got us a bunch of bolts for flagpole, anchors, and different brackets that we're going to be using on it. And we had to come back and we had to touch up a lot of spots on it with some body filler. So that's what we're doing. I'm just going to sand it down, get the body filler back smooth, and we're going to put a little paint and primer on the spots that we fix. And then we're going to take the boom truck down there, and we're going to take this pole down here where we're going to set it, where we put the concrete slab out a few days ago. And we're going to go ahead and stand it up and bolt it. And then once I get it stand up and bolt it, then I'm going to come back and I'm going to spray it while it's in the air. That way I don't be dragging it around, knocking paint off of it. And I got to go back and touch up here and there. Or I got to try to roll it around and keep it from falling, or spray one side wet. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to sand all these body spots, filler spots off, and we're going to move on to the next step. just putting that right there, just add a little extra support. We'll knock this rough stuff off the top there, and we got some other stuff we got to leave and go do. And when I come back, we'll work on it just a little bit more. So I'll go ahead and get this off, and we'll be back later.